The Samsung Galaxy Ring marks Samsung's exciting entry into the smart ring market.
It was first shown at MWC 2024, and tech fans took to it right away. Now that the complete specifications, cost, and availability have been made public, the Galaxy Ring has lived up to the anticipation. Available for pre-order, now set for general release on July 24.
Let's explore what makes the Samsung Galaxy Ring so appealing.
Galaxy Ring is crafted from grade 5 titanium alloy and offers a blend of strength and lightness. Available in US sizes 5 to 13. It ranges from 2.3 to 3 grams in weight, with the smallest size measuring 7.0 mm by 2.6 mm. This sleek smart ring comes in gold, silver, and black, catering to various style preferences.
Meanwhile, the IP68 rating of the Galaxy Ring allows it to be worn in all weather conditions and even during swimming. With Bluetooth 5.4, pairing the Galaxy Ring is simple and quick.
The Samsung Health app and a smartphone running Android 11 or later are required for the ring. The fact that customers may view their activity and health data without having to buy additional memberships is one of the nicest advantages.
Furthermore, by pinching their thumb and index finger, customers may operate their Galaxy smartphones with the ring's pinch gesture controls. You can easily snap pictures or turn off alarms with this feature. Furthermore, the Galaxy Ring can be used with Samsung Find, which flashes its integrated LED lights when it is lost. A wide range of health metrics are tracked by Samsung's Galaxy Ring. Along with a skin temperature sensor, it has an optical PPG sensor for tracking heart rate.
Because of the ring's modest profile and easy to wear all day, night, or day, sleep tracking is a noteworthy feature.
In addition to measurements like heart rate, respiration rate, movement during sleep, and sleep latency, the sleep tracking features offer an active sleep score with snoring analysis. In addition, the ring provides heart rate alarms and live heart rate monitoring, along with automatic workout identification. In order to help you better understand your overall wellness, Samsung has created an energy score that combines your activity and sleep scores into a daily score out of 100. It offers different battery sizes based on ring size. Smaller rings have 17 mAh batteries lasting up to 6 days, and larger sizes have 22.5 mAh batteries lasting 7 days. The ring comes with a charging case that has a 361 mAh battery, capable of recharging smaller rings up to 20 times. This ensures your ring is always ready to track your activity and health. The cost of the Samsung Galaxy Ring is $399, pre-order available now. Even though the Galaxy Ring costs more than some of its rivals, such as the Oura Ring Gen 3, which sells for about $299, you may use all of its capabilities without a membership. In the long term, this makes it a more cost-effective choice, particularly for owners of Samsung smartphones. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Ring enters the smart ring market, challenging Oura's dominance. Unlike Oura's $6 monthly fee, the Galaxy Ring offers subscription-free health tracking. However, Galaxy Ring requires a Samsung phone, while Oura works with both Android and iOS. Both offer similar health features, but Galaxy Ring integrates with Samsung devices and boasts gesture controls and Find My Ring functionality. So, what do you think? Is the Samsung Galaxy Ring able to do everything? Share your thoughts with us in the comments.